Okay, so this is my project I started like about a month ago. I've got most of it done. It's just I'm not sure if it will work when I turn it on. I've got carburetor all set up. The clutch works right here. The gear is all set. It's just the wiring I don't have done from the kill switch up here. It goes down to a yellow and green wire. I know the yellow is connecting to the white, and the green is supposed to be a ground wire. And it's supposed to loop it around that screw somehow, I don't know. Other than that, everything works. Once I get all the problems set out and I know it works, I'm gonna attach this light that I got at Walmart. Got a little switch and battery set to it. And see it there. Turn the lights off. And then flip it on. It's a light. I don't know where it would go. It'd probably go like here. Maybe down there. Just make it pimped out and stuff. I was also going to add a speedometer and a light. So, if you've made one or you know anything about it, and you see anything that's wrong with this, I'll turn the lights back on. The throttle, the gas line, on, black box. These two I haven't connected, but I know black goes to black, blue goes to blue. I don't know, those got unconnected. Then clutch. Yeah, that's about it. So, if you know if I've done anything wrong, please tell me. Thanks.